Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to get to the primary source analysis tool, complete that, and download that on your desktop. I'm starting out here on my home page. If you click World War I unit, it will take you to this page, which should look familiar to you. And now lesson 1, where we're working at today. We looked at B today in class. What you're going to be doing for the rest of this lesson, and even then when you begin working on your newspaper assignment, is using this primary source analysis tool to analyze various primary sources, such as photographs and newspaper clippings and sounds and speeches. And there's a particular way that I want you to save those. So we're going to pretend that we are going to download, or we're going to analyze this panoramic photograph right here. It's titled Ypres, Belgium. You can click on it and we'll pretend that we have gone through the process of analyzing it. So what you're going to do is click on this primary source analysis tool. Then you will click on primary source analysis tool. And here's where it takes you to the Library of Congress website. And you can actually type right on here and then either print, save, or share. So we're going to pretend we have analyzed this photograph. You observed we are reflecting. And some questions. At this point, you'd go down to further investigations, record your response down there. So then we'll say that we're wrapping this up and we want to download this. So finishing touches, we need to go in and select the format or the type of primary source. We know this is a photograph, so we will select photograph, and then down here at the bottom you see it says download, print, or email. We're going to have you turn all of these in at the very end of the lesson, so you can turn them in all at once. So I'm going to have you download them to your desktop where you can then put it into your history folder. So we'll click download, and there are some things you need to do to label your primary source analysis. First, we want to name the primary source. So you're going to have multiple tabs open up here. We're going to click, and we know that this title is Ypres, Belgium, 1919. You can simply copy and paste. Like that. Then we want the URL of the primary source. So again, we're going to go back here. Our URL is up here. We will copy and paste. Over here, your name is not optional in our case, so you will type your name, the date is filled in for you, and then your class, so period 6. Then you can select download. Once it is finished downloading, it should pop up a preview for you, like so. At this point, you're going to hit File. You need to duplicate, so make a duplicate of this version, and it will then you'll be able to save it. Then File, Save. And if you have a history folder, I would recommend putting a history folder on your desktop. That way you can save it directly into that history folder. You're going to title it Primary Source Analysis 1, since it's the first one we have done. Save, and now you have that saved in the correct location. If you have any other questions, you can ask me, and I will help you out maybe in person showing you how to get this completed and saved.